Welcome to the vlog. I'm Jim from Whatnot Adventures. Today we are in Aiken, South Carolina, here at the Visitor Center and Train Museum. I'm excited to show you this, so let's go around and take a look at things. The Visitor Center is situated in the old train station, but I wanted to show you these beautiful trees out front. And there's the Visitor Center. And here's a sign about the Aiken Railroad Depot. So the Aiken Railroad Depot was constructed in 1899 by the Southern Railway, built largely to serve the wealthy travelers who comprised the Aiken winter colony, including members of the Vanderbilt, Mellon, and Astor families. The depot was designed as a showpiece. It helped to facilitate Aiken's position as a popular sporting destination, especially among wealthy Northerners in the early 20th century. And even to this day, a lot of the racing horses come down here in the winter to make home and the train here. And in the springtime, they have the Aiken races, steeplechase and whatnot, before they head back up north. Over there in the distance, you'll see a red caboose, and we'll go over there and take a look at that before we leave today. All right. So this is the front of the Aiken Visitor Center and Train Museum, and they are open Wednesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, I just stepped inside. This is a beautiful visitor center and museum. Oh, they have this nice kiosk.
I want to give them this because it has not only touristy events, but it has shopping and where to eat and all those kinds of things. Let's see, this Sunday.
Oh, it's got all kinds of information.
Sure.
And of course, they have a little gift shop. Let's go upstairs to the museum. Oh, modern locomotives. Wow, this is very nice. Hamburg was the name used for the city of North Augusta years ago, and it was also one of the train stops. There's Aiken, the Iron Horse. Blackville. Oh, let me back up here. Look at this train model. Wow.
That's okay, we all needed to get our part done.
So these were all stops on the tracks running here through Aiken, coming and going. And here's a look down to the first floor. I'm guessing there's something up there, but we're not allowed to go see. It's blocked off. But that sure is a cool staircase. Wow. Downstairs and came out the back door. And this is awesome. They have 2 Pullman cars here. Let's go up and take a look. There's a nice platform. Well, look at the wood. I don't know if this was redone or if that's original. Now, of course, they pulled out the seats. They must use this for a conference center of some sort. It's beautiful, though. Let's take a look at this other one. Oh, wow, this one's got draperies. Oh, looks like they have a snack bar or something at the other end. They must use this for get-togethers, whatnot. There's the red caboose that I was talking about earlier. Let me go out there and we'll take a look. On the way to the caboose, I turned around and saw this view, and I thought, I need to show you this angle. There's the Pullman cars. And this is the visitor center that was once the train depot. It's amazing. And over here is the caboose. Let's walk over there and take a look. We'll walk around and see the different sides of this caboose. Doesn't have any markings on it. I like the crow's nest up on top. That's pretty cool. Oh, they got one window broken. That's a shame. Let's go up here and see if we can see inside. No. Oh, they have a nice playground for the kids. Let's go down. Let's see the other side here. That is amazing. This was just a short little video to give you an idea of what's here at the Aiken City Visitor Center and Train Museum. I'll put a link to their website in the video description below so you can get some more information. I hope you enjoyed this, and I appreciate you being here. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. Help us grow the channel. And now, it's your turn. You can go out and explore this, that, and the other. You know, the whatnots in your life. And until next time, take care. Be safe. Bye.